Mortgages. So as soon as you go into the mortgage, if you have set a property in your asset, then it's going to automatically pull the information here. It's important that you have to click on the edit, and you'll know you're editing it because it'll change to show which of the properties you're editing if you have multiple properties. Then you would just put a name. I'm going to call this first mortgage. You could put a lender. You put the current mortgage. That's just say it's $130,000 at a 9% interest rate. And if you have all the information for this mortgage, like your amortization, how many years or months are left, initial down payment, all this stuff is optional, so you can put that in. You usually put in if it's a closed fixed, for example, insurance type, just the conventional insurance, and then how much you pay a month in mortgage payments and monthly, and when did you start making these mortgage payments, and that's basically it. The other items, if you have a HELOC on this mortgage, you could put this information here. If not, you need to put 0 in this field because this is a mandatory field. Hit save, and your mortgage information is now up here. If you had a second mortgage on this property, you would hit this plus sign, and then it would show, and it would create a new entry for you, and then you would edit it just like you did this first one to enter in your second mortgage.